Tonight, NBC is proud to present one of the most important motion pictures of our time.
You want these people?
My people, I want my people.
Who are you, Moses?
A television event to be shared and remembered. Schindler's List, presented in its entirety.
The list is life.
Schindler's List will begin after a message from Ford and a special introduction from Steven Spielberg.
No matter what you do, your walk of life, where you want to go, or how you want to get there, Ford has a vehicle for you. Trucks made to work hard and play hard. Cars for moving families, for moving friends, and for just plain moving. Sport utility vehicles geared for the far reaches. Cars and trucks that are easily within reach. No matter what you need, Ford's got it. And there are over 4,000 Ford dealers and thousands of Ford employees who are dedicated to making your driving experience the best it can possibly be.
Good evening, and welcome to the network television premiere of Schindler's List. I'm Ross Roberts, and on behalf of the Ford Motor Company and all our Ford dealers across America, we're proud to be the sole sponsor of tonight's broadcast. Because of the historic importance of this special film, there will be no commercial interruptions. And now, it's my pleasure to introduce the director of Schindler's List, Steven Spielberg.
Good evening. I want to thank Ross Roberts and Ford Division for their exceptional commitment to tonight's telecast. It's a tribute to everyone at Ford and its thousands of employees. And I want to thank Warren Littlefield and Don Ohlmeyer of NBC for devoting their schedule tonight to bring this film to the largest audience it will ever have. But first, I want you, and especially parents, to know that Schindler's List is more explicit and more graphic than anything you may have seen before on network television. I made the film for this and future generations so that they would know and never forget that 6 million Jews were murdered in the Holocaust and that history could not be denied. I could not be honest to that history or to the memories of its victims without depictions of violence and suffering. So while every parent should make a judgment for their own family, I do not personally believe this is a film for the very young. My younger children, for example, of elementary school age, have still not seen Schindler's List. If they were of high school age, I would want them to. When the film was released, there was overwhelming support that it should be seen by high schools, and it was shown in theaters free to nearly 2 million students through the cooperation of this nation's governors. So tonight in your homes, you will experience the story of Oskar Schindler, a German businessman, a member of the Nazi Party, a womanizer, and a war profiteer who saved the lives of more than 1,100 Jews. And now Schindler's List.